Alright, real talk. Can you tell if it's a boy or a girl before the big reveal? I've got 4 signs people swear by and what the science actually says. Let's count it down. 4. Fetal heart rate. You've heard this. Above 140 beats per minute means girl. Below means boy. In the first trimester, heart rates swing widely for every fetus. The developing heart speeds up, then gradually slows, regardless of sex. Studies don't support this as a predictor. Fun to guess with? Sure. Reliable? Not really. 3. Skull theory. People analyze ultrasound images. Rounder skull equals girl. More angular equals boy. Here's the thing. In early gestation, skull bones are soft and changing rapidly. A 3D visualization shows those sutures and plates expanding at different rates. The angles you see depend on the scan position. Sex doesn't meaningfully shape the skull at that stage. Verdict: cool visuals, weak evidence. 2. The Ramsay method. It claims the placenta's side predicts sex. Left, right. But orientation flips depending on abdominal scans and transvaginal scans, or if the image is mirrored. In a 3D uterus model, the chorionic villi can implant in many spots. Location varies by anatomy and chance. Large, controlled studies haven't validated Ramsay as a predictor. It's a guessing game dressed up as a map. 1. The nub angle, aka the genital tubercle. This is the only one with some footing, but timing is everything. Between about 11-13 weeks, a 3D animation shows the genital tubercle rising, or staying parallel. If the nub points up at a steeper angle, people say boy. More parallel to the spine, they say girl. Accuracy jumps only when imaging is clear. The fetus is in the right position, and the timing hits that sweet spot. Even then, it's not 100%. Before 11 weeks, the structures look almost identical. So what actually works? Ultrasound techs usually wait until the anatomy scan, around 18-22 weeks, because external genitalia are better defined. Non-invasive prenatal testing can identify sex chromosomes as early as 10 weeks from a blood draw. Those are your evidence-based options. Bonus question: can symptoms like morning sickness tell you? Severe nausea can correlate with higher HCG. Some studies see a slight tilt toward female fetuses, emphasis on slight. It's not a test, just biology doing its messy thing. Here's my bottom line. Enjoy the guessing, but don't bank on it. Use 3D anatomy visuals to understand what you're seeing. Heart development, skull growth, placenta placement, and that tiny nub. Then let the real reveal come from a scan or a lab. And hey, congratulations either way. You're growing a whole human. That's the real miracle.